इस ड्राइव के बाद दोनों फैमिली गए एक पिकनिक पे on a beautiful day with their kids. With the company of a wholesome family wagon, they sure made the most of it. You know what they say, the family is one of nature's masterpieces, and we brought that together with Chevrolet's masterpiece. Wow, that picnic has gotten me all nostalgic. So right now it's time for me to take a short break. You come right back for some more fun on the fast lane. Coming up, the official opening of Mumbai Say at the Dubai Mall. And for all you shoe lovers, we are going into Kurt Geiger's new store. Welcome back, folks. One of my favorite new malls is Dubai Mall. Suave, huge and packed with things to do and see. One such thing is designer boutique Mumbai Se. तो चलिए चलते हैं वहाँ पर देखने उनका new collection.
Mumbai Se is a concept which was launched 3 years back by RSH Group. It's a Hindi word. It means from Mumbai, which Mumbai generally represents the modern India, and that's what we're trying to show here, that this is the new India. And Mumbai Se is a lifestyle concept. It's not just the top designers that we have, but also we have some lovely art, home decor stuff. We have some lovely books, jewelry. It's a blend of two distinct identity, like Indian and Western modern. We are showing the Western modernity at its best. Today, it's the official opening of Mumbai Se at the Dubai Mall. And also, we are launching our Spring-Summer collection.
The designs were trendy and stylish, so let's meet the designers and talk to them about the inspiration behind the collection.
Hi, my name is Natasha Kapoor. I'm a Mumbai-based designer. At the moment, I'm retailing out of Mumbai Se, which is at Dubai Mall and Festival City. My recent collection at this point of time, it has a unique mix of like sturdy fabric like t-shirt, knitwear, and a soft dreamy fabric like georgette. I've used viscose lycra, which is t-shirt. It's a very comfortable stretchy fabric, and to make it a little more formal, I've used georgettes and chiffons, and also there's a little bit of satin in the trimmings. I'm very inspired by jewelry, so generally like the diamonds, the emeralds, and that's about how I come up with my collections.
Hi, I'm Meher Mirchandani.
Hi, I'm Ridhima Wahabi.
We're here to showcase our new collection.
It's called Hues, and as you can see, it's got a lot of bright, fresh colors like ice blue, yellow, lime green, neon pinks, purples, a lot of fresh, happy colors.
We always use a combination of fabrics. We use silks with chiffons, with satin, with georgette, but we always use pure fabrics. And for summer, we've mainly used chiffons because they're flowy, soft, they feel good to the skin in the sun, so it's more about flowy, soft fabrics this season. The architecture around us always inspires us. In the city that we are living, Dubai, it has beautiful mosques. We are always inspired by the motifs on mosques, the colors around, the carvings.
And artists, a lot of artists like Wozley Kandinsky. It's very inspiring.
It's amazing to see how ideas materialize into dreams on the runway. It always fascinates me. Well, talking about style and ideas, it's time to move on to another super stylish brand of shoes, Kurt Geiger. स्पेशलिस्ट कर्ट गाइगर एक यूरोपियन ब्रांड है। अपनी कलेक्शन को ये हमेशा फैशन फॉरवर्ड और क्रिएटिव बनाते हैं। The sophisticated design with a splash of young, vibrant color is the USP of these shoes and is one of my personal favorites when it comes to dressing up my feet. Kurt Geiger has become one of the most popular shoe brands here in Dubai in a very short span of time. And since we are a curious bunch here at High Life Dubai, we wanted to know more about this brand.
The brand, the owner, the gentleman behind the brand, Kurt Geiger, he's from Europe. He basically, when he travelled into England and he found that England was missing something with styling. So he set up his shop there, designing their own shoes and things. And today it's a business that predominantly houses its product within Harrods, within Selfridges, the prestigious department stores, and they have their own standalone shops. So today the headquarters is based in England, in London itself. We established the brand in 2008. We opened our first shop in April in Dira City Centre, followed by the Mall of Emirates. And our strategy was always to bring the brand into the region. So we've expanded out into Qatar. We have a shop in Bahrain. This month we also enter Saudi Arabia. So it's actually a GCC-wide project for us.
We spoke to them about the clientele they cater to, their best sellers and the shoe trends of the season.
Typically the customer here is very up to date. She's fashion forward, she's travelled around, so she knows most of the things that are in. So we typically, Kurt Geiger, the designers, go and do the trend spotting, they do the catwalks, they pick up ideas and they bespoke that to their own interpretation. So if it's the colour for the season, let's say pastels are in, so they'll take pastels and what do we put that on? Naturally pastels being light goes on sandals and things of that nature. So it's really what they pick up from their trend spotting, how do they interpret that into the brand, and then they do their own styling from that. It generally inspired by most of the trends of the world, but then it's interpreted into their own thing. Typically, we would be associated with celebrities if the brand principals are themselves, and at this moment, no, for them it's just the location strategy rather than celebrity-driven.
Guess what? Now you get a chance to win 3 gift vouchers worth 500 dirhams each from Kurt Geiger. Just answer this simple question. Where is the brand Kurt Geiger from? A. London, B. Spain, C. Dubai. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or visit our website and click on competition and answer the question. After that full fashion roundup, it's time for me to take a short break. See you on the other side.